Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDT from Luno in 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on tips like this. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for quick and secure transfers. Whether you're trading, investing, or just moving funds, Luno is a user-friendly platform to get this done. But before we dive in, remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Alright, let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open the Luno app or head to the website and log in to your account. Make sure your account is verified. Luno requires this for security reasons, especially in 2025 with enhanced regulations. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section. You'll see a list of your assets. Look for USDT and select it. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually straightforward. Now, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial, so paste it carefully. Don't forget to double-check the network. USDT on Luno is typically on the Ethereum or Tron network, so match that with the recipient's setup to avoid failed transactions. Enter the amount you want to send, and keep an eye on the fees. Luno might charge a small network fee, which could vary based on blockchain congestion. Review all the details on the confirmation page: the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit confirm, and voila, your USDT is on its way. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the network. Pro tip: always use a hardware wallet for added security when dealing with larger amounts. There you have it, folks. Sending USDT from Luno is that simple. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more crypto guides, and remember, invest wisely and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.